Alright, this guy told me to make a BoyWithUke mask, and I did. So here's the video. Here's how to do that. Alright, cool. Okay, you're gonna want to make an outline. Alright, awesome. Look, there it is. Oh, missed the spot. Now, draw the eyes. Now, unfortunately, I do not have any black pieces of paper, so I had to take a Sharpie and color it in myself, which was painstaking and annoying. Now you're gonna cut it out, the part you've all been waiting for. Wow. Now, you see, I already know this isn't gonna work. Watch. Don't believe me? Look, it didn't work. Look, you guys, whenever I say things like this, you just gotta know I'm right. It was so obvious, I can't believe you guys didn't see that at the time. Alright, so you gotta cut out eye holes. Alright, that's your next step. Now, put your hat, oh my gosh, mask on the table, and then draw little eyes. You're gonna wanna use the mask to make the outline, because then it'll be like just the right size. Yeah, and then draw some outside and inside circles so it fits over it well and looks good. And then use that same eye to make another eye. It's really easy. Yeah, super easy. And then cut more holes. There's gonna be a lot of scissors. There has been a lot of scissors. After this, I don't think you're gonna need any more scissors. So, just put those away after this. Now, put the eyes... No, wait, don't put the eyes anywhere. Get some tape, put it on the back. You'll see why in a moment. Now you put the eyes on the other side, overlapping the little edges there. Then put tape over that, just to make it all nice and secure. Look, now you got a mask. Now measure your forehead, well, your whole head actually, with a tape measure. Look, that guy's head is 22 inches. Great, good for him. And then you gotta, if your head is 22 inches, add like 3 inches to that, you know. Yeah, you gotta make the tape a little longer than your head. Now, oh, there's the second tape. Nice. You got 2 strands of tape. Then you're gonna wanna put the first thing of tape, put the edges on the edges of your mask, like that. And then put the other tape on the outside of that so that there's no more sticky sides. You eliminated the sticky. So the tape ended up being too long for me, and I had to shorten it. Okay, here's the finished product. It's very beautiful. Looks exactly like the real thing.